Good morning to all. I, Dr. Kapil Patil, Rotarian, Secretary, Rotary Club of Bidar New Century, welcomes you for the Armed Force Orientation Seminar. Our club consists of 80 members till now, started in 2005. Who we are? We are people of action, motivated to improve our communities by making a direct or indirect impact through our services. We are problem solvers, working together to find solutions to global challenges. We promote integrity through our fellowship of business, professional and local leaders. Together we transfer communities, ourselves and the future of Rotary in many ways. We are Rotarians. Whatever Rotary means to us, to the world, it will be known by the result it achieves, said by Paul Harris, a founder Rotary member. Rotary all started by one person's vision, that is Paul Harris, in 1905, in 23rd February, in Chicago. He exchanged ideas and forms meaningful, lifelong friendship. The first meeting started with only 4 people. Motto of the Rotary is service above self. Rotary is all over the world, more than 200 countries, around 35,000 clubs, around 12 lakhs people, and India is second largest members in world and second largest donors for the Rotary. Rotary is not only international, it is Indian also. Most of the people say it's an international, it's a foreign thing. No, Rotary is for everyone. So right now the Rotary president is Holger Nack from Germany. 2022 and 21 and 22 is our own person, Shekhar Mehta, is a president for Rotary International. The areas of focus, Rotary focuses mainly on 7 areas, that is basic education and literacy, maternal and child health, peace and conflict prevention, disease prevention and treatment, water sanitation and hygiene, communist and economic development, community and economic development, and support to the environment. These are the major 7 areas where Rotary focuses. Before doing any project, the project undergoes the test that is based, we call it as a 4-way test. Is it the project truth? It is fair. Will it be goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all the concerned people? I'll just highlight few projects what we have done in last few years. We have done few permanent projects, like we have done a Rotary circle. These are done by Rotary people. Second, we have constructed so many toilets in schools. There's a Rotary seminar, WIN seminar happened in Bidar. Dental van was donated by Rotary. Lake, Papnash Lake. All of you are familiar with Papnash Lake. We have cleaned up the Papnash Lake 6 months back. These are basic projects what we do generally, other than what projects we are doing today, like blood checkup camp, cleaning up the gardens, celebrating few days like International Literacy Day. We have awarded few achievers, that toppers of 10th as well as PUC 2nd. As one of our Bidar person has cleared his AS, he's into IPS now. We have felicitated them. Breastfeeding week, Yoga Day, plantation by our own DC sir. Cancer as well as cardiac seminars. And polio, everybody knows polio. Only Rotary gives the polio. Only we take care of government sector in helping to reach out the people. The all polio drops are sponsored by Rotary or internationally. So we are almost to end polio. There's only 3 countries left with the polio, but still we have to give polio for the next 3 years once there is no case reported. So still it's a world, so end polio now. It's not polio now, it's end polio. Almost we have come to reach the polio. We celebrate few festivals along with poor people. World Food Day celebration was done in Brims Government Hospital. Then tree plantation with sampling distribution in villages along with COVID awareness program. Blood camp donations. Last year we have done marathon. We called Anang Maliwad. He's a lake man. He called as a lake man of India. So he started cleaning up the lakes. We called him as a guest speaker. Every year we do a project that is Udan Inter-College Festival in culturals as well as sports. All degree college students participate. More than 1,000 students participate every year. This was our few articles published in newspaper. And out of that, we came to a conclusion this year that we're gonna do one project which will be long-standing to our society. As Colonel Sir is, Sharnappa Sir is in our Rotary Club, so we took a help of him to organize this event. And he was into every second into this program since we told him that we're gonna do this. So this will be a yearly program as DC Sir told and Colonel Sir has told to us that we'll do every year. So this was an event we have done this year. And we always say we are proud of a Rotary and I am a proud Rotary member. Thank you everyone. Thank you one and all.